Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So as promised, here is the giveaway, the memory box giveaway video that I am so late in doing. And so, but I explained in my one of my posts, community posts, why. So, anywho, I went ahead and pulled out quite a few items from my stash that I haven't used in years, and I know that I won't use in years. And so, I hope that the winner likes it, and I hope that, yeah, and if you already happen to have these items, believe me, you are not going to hurt my feelings if you decide to bless someone else with it. So I have already put the MEMORYDEX cards in these 2 packs. Okay, they are sealed, and by the way, you will find a couple of extra ones in there that I made. The ones that are blank on the back are from me, and so over here, this is just a little card that I made for the winner. And over here is a little box for the winner with some things that, it's hard to do this with one hand, that I have in my stash that also contains some goodies. And so you're gonna find them in here. And as promised, over here is your pink unopened box of the Heidi Swap MEMORYDEX spinner. And you're going to have plenty of MEMORYDEX cards to put in your spinner, so I'm happy about that. And over here, as promised, I did go through my stash, and although I would love to give you everything in my craft room that I no longer use, I did hold back and save some items for my next giveaways. So if you don't win this time around, make sure that you watch my videos and you know, comment and thumbs up and the whole shebang, so that you can be entered in my giveaways. And so I have this Becca Feekin die. Sorry about the bag. Excuse me. This is a 3D Becca Feekin die. It's a clock, and you can always check out my website for pictures on how I put this together and what it's supposed to look like. And I also have these other dies from my stash. This one I actually had 2 of. When I bought the second one, I had forgotten that I already had this die, so you get the second one. And here are some extra dies. Again, same thing that I had completely forgotten that I already had. Okay, so look, unopened. Well, maybe this was opened, yeah, but I didn't take it apart because I realized that I already had it. And so here's another one. Again, I didn't realize that I already had it. And again, see, I'm broken on everything. Let me see, did I take this one apart? Nope. There you could see the little thingamajiggy because I already had it. It's just in new packaging. And once again, you know, it's like I order stuff, and then I'm like, when I go to put it in its place, you know, I'm like, wait a minute, I already have this one. So, yeah. So you get that one. And like I said, if you already have these, please, by all means, bless someone else with them. Okay, now these are from past Spellbinders collections when I was in their DT, and this is from back from years past. Okay, and these are the ones that I like used once and never used again. And I put as much as I could in there because I've donated a lot of stuff, okay, like the ephemera and everything. So you're gonna get this. In this one, I couldn't find the dice for it, but there's a ton of ephemera there. There are the stamps and, of course, the paper pad. And over here, you have the dies, the ephemera, the paper pad, the stickers. You know, I put in as much as I could find. Oh, yeah, the stamps from the collection. same thing with this. Some of the stickers, the paper pad, the dies, perfect for Easter. And here you go, a complete sheet of stickers that I never used. And, ooh, my voice squeaked. This is the one with the car. Here's the paper pad. As you can see, some of the stickers, and stamps. So, yeah, this is what the winner's going to get this time around. And, my voice is squeaky. So, let me go ahead and do the drawing, okay? Oh, also the winner gets a pack of a paper collection. I got to read through all this over here so that I can go ahead and choose a paper pack for you. Okay, yeah, so good luck. Okay, friends, I have all of the entries here, and of course those of you who made video responses have extra entries. Here we go. And so, list entries 134. Let's go ahead and pick a winner. Did it choose a winner? Oh, I'm going to have to go back in the video and see who the winner is. I wasn't looking. Did it pick it? Okay, I hope that's, if that's the case, the winner is number 6. Dana, Butterfly Crafts and Crochet. I am so embarrassed. I wasn't paying attention. Is that the winner, or was that number there? Anyhow, I hope that that's the winner. So, Dana, go ahead and contact me. You have 4 days to contact me, please. And, yeah, because, you know, I'm going to be having another procedure and everything. So if Dana does not contact me within 4 days, starting today, today's day number 1, go ahead and comment on this video, Dana, so that I know that you have seen it. And of course, you may email me, and I will go ahead and leave my email address in the, in the description area of this video. And so if Dana does not contact me within 4 days, I will go ahead and choose somebody else, because I need to get this box out to the winner before I go for my next spinal procedure. Thank you so very much for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and well, y'all already subscribed, but keep watching my videos and keep commenting on my videos. You know, a thumbs up do help with the algorithms. And so, yeah, keep commenting on my videos, because you never know when the next giveaway is going to be. Thank you so very much, and for watching, and have a wonderful weekend. Bye, and congratulations, Dana.